Tom camp? Sounds weird. Sounds kind of weird. I don't want to go to Camp Tom particularly. Yeah, Tom got no drip, no maidens, connection error. I lost connection. You want to connect with me on a personal level? Why would I lose connection? I have great connection. No, shut up. What? You're weird. You're being weird. This one doesn't work. I fixed it. I guess. Why does he have a camp? Nope, it doesn't work. Why does he have a camp that needs to be so online? It's kind of counterintuitive for camping. Can't really connect at camp. I'm in the woods. Figured I wanted to play it in nature. Fuck Tom. Cats don't live outside. Doesn't make any dang sense.